We've got a question featuring an injury on the job. Joining us here on the weekend, attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Gentlemen, very dedicated of you to be here on a Saturday.
Oh, Greg's really pumped up
Look at
today.
that smile. You can't wipe it off his face today. All right, let's get to our question. This involves an injury on the job. Obviously, a tough situation anytime. Bob in Freeland wants to know, I was working as a roofer on a project in a local industrial park. A piece of equipment from one of the other contractors hit me and broke my back. My employer is giving me the runaround about suing them. Can I sue them, and how? What can Bob do here?
Well, Bob, first and foremost, you're going to be entitled to workers' compensation on this because you got injured while you're on the job. Now, the next question, can you sue the other general contractor or other contractor on the job whose equipment malfunctioned or they weren't using it properly and it broke your back? It's going to be a little trickier. There's some very specific laws in Pennsylvania on this. We've handled a number of these types of cases, and it really does turn on some very specific facts. So we would need a little bit more information to advise you whether you can sue that particular contractor or other entity on it. The answer is maybe, but you got to give us some more facts on that.
Yeah, more facts are definitely needed. But the good news is you're calling early because with workers' comp you have a 3-year statute of limitations. If you're going to sue the operator of the person who injured you, you'd have 2 years. So, this is always what we talk about, being proactive. This is a prime example of where you need to get to an attorney because you have 2 different cases going on. You have a workers' compensation case, which will cover your medical bills and your part of your wages, and then you have a potential third-party action case against the guy who hurt you. So, again, a lot of stuff, a lot of moving parts. These cases they get really complicated. We've handled a bunch of them, but be proactive, don't wait, and if they're not paying your benefits, you have every right to take action against them. All
right, when you're in a complex legal situation and you need the advice of our attorneys, what's the best way for our viewers to connect with you guys?
They could call us at 570-714-HURT. They could see us on the web at 714hurt.com, and you could ask me at the KISS concert tonight.
I said, don't call the hotline tonight because Greg's going to be at the KISS concert.
Yes, sir.
He's going to be wearing a full KISS outfit.
I'll just be there.
Or go to our Facebook page. If you have a question, put it on. We'll do our best to answer it on an upcoming segment.
So leather, face paint, chains.
Oh, yeah,
yikes.
All right. The whole 9 yards.
Results matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Gentlemen, thanks. We'll see you on Monday.
See ya.
All right, PAHomepage.com or the Law on You, your best spots to go to submit a question here to the show.